Starting us off is the mitochondria, which converts food into energy used in the cell. The powerhouse of a cell is like a power plant in a city because it powers the city. Then we have the nucleus, which is a part that controls all of the cell's activities, a cell's control center. It is like the city hall because it is in charge of everything that happens in the cell, just like the city hall is in the city. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum stores key enzymes in plant and animal cells and is involved in various processes, including the synthesis of fatty acids and the detoxification of chemicals such as drugs and alcohol. Lysosome. A lysosome contains chemicals that break down large food materials and other cell parts. It is like a digestive system to the body. The ribosomes produce proteins for the cell just like cow factories do in a city. The central vacuole is a cavity in the cytoplasm of a plant that usually includes the cell illustration, like a refrigerator in a house because it stores the food in the house. Rough endoplasmic reticulum contains ribosomes that give its surface an uneven appearance involved in the synthesis of proteins in plant and animal cells. It's kind of like sidewalks in a city because they are surfaces for activity. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins and other materials from the ER, package and distribute materials to other parts of the cell. It's kind of like a sewer drain does in a city. Then we have the cell wall. The cell wall helps to protect and support the plant cell, the city limits, and border of the city. The vessel is a fluid or air-filled cavity or sac. In particular, it is like a bus service. The chloroplast. The chloroplast makes leaves green, converts captured energy from the sun into food, only found in plants. A solar panel plant does the same thing for a city. Heredity material, the medium by which instructions are transmitted from one generation of organisms to the next, like a book because it's descriptive and gives genetic info or information. Cell membrane. It separates the cell from the environment and controls what substances come in and out of the cell, like a security entrance does in a city. The cytoplasm is a clear, thick, gel-like substance between the cell membrane and the nucleus, like a glue because it holds everything together. We have the nucleolus, which is a structure inside the nucleus where the ribosomes are made. Resembles the mayor of a city since both are small bodies within the bigger nucleus that makes decisions. Lastly, we have the peroxisome, which is a small organelle that is presented in the cytoplasm of many cells that contains the reducing enzyme catalase and usually some oxidizes. It helps its burning fat. It is like a gym because we burn